Hello, today my featured home of the day is a D.R. Horton JASMINE plan in Hamilton Ridge. This home is a 4-bedroom with 2 baths and a 2-car garage. It's over 2,000 square feet, and this is one of D.R. Horton's gold fortified homes. Come on in, let me show you around. Don't forget, the Gold Fortified Certificate drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance. Call today for your private showing. Frankie Wink, 251-234-9919. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, please ask for Frankie Wink. My services are free for buyers. I look forward to helping you find your dream home in Mobile or Baldwin County.